Hello, Claiborne, North Dallas. Finishing up a 2021 Range Rover Sport, full wrap with Expel Ultimate Plus. And we also have a ceramic coating over the bra as well. It's a 3-year coating. And let's take a walk around and see what we got going here on this one. And we're finishing up this Stealth Rover over here. This is an SVJ, I think, is what they call it, SVR or something like that. But that one's just about done putting everything back together. It's a stealth wrap. So let's finish up with this white gloss, Expel Ultimate Plus over the white gloss paint. We'll start here with the letters. Obviously all these here get removed so that we can have the perfect setup, and it goes back in the same orientation as the factory laid it, and there's no cutouts around the letters. They go exactly in that same area that the factory placed them. All the bumper, everything's done, everything's rolled in, all this black is done, everything is done perfectly, everything is wrapped underneath, all these areas are wrapped in. You'll see there's no edging. Headlights done, hood fully encapsulated, no edging, everything is underneath. Everything's underneath, nothing's cut around these vents on top. Same as in here. And let's come around over here on the other side of the hood. Perfect gloss, no markings. Again, under this cap, came off, bra underneath. And coming around, looking at the rest here. Coming up, coming around. Everything's just looking fantastic. Everything's wrapped in. Everything's wrapped in, wrapped in. All these pillars are done, tops, D pillars. Everything just gets done very well. So there you go, Clearbrook, North Dallas with some Range Rovers, getting them wrapped up for today. If you guys have any questions, clearbrownnorthdallas.com. You can also reach me at 214-414-3809 if you have any questions or want to know some pricing. Just let us know. Nice showing you this Rover. Love doing them. They look great. I'll go over that black one here in a little bit. But thanks for watching. Again, clearbrownnorthdallas.com, 214-414-3809, extension 1. I'm Brent. I'd be happy to help you.